Hello everyone, I am back again with another video. This time this video is interesting as well as informative. Basically I'm going to discuss with you people that how you can start your YouTube channel in 2020. It's basically a beginner's guide to YouTube. Now many people would think that I am myself a new YouTuber. 1.5 months ago I started my work, but I'm going to guide you people according to my experience, what benefit I gained from following certain strategies and what we should do to make our channel successful, and basic terminologies that every beginner should know about YouTube. And definitely there are a lot of other videos, but those YouTubers, they are basically successful YouTubers. They have reached a point, they are at a level they wanted to reach. But being a new YouTuber, I would try to cater the problems or the benefits that we can take from small things by helping each other, and whatever I've learned I'm going to share with you today. First of all, we have to select our niche. And what is meant by niche? Basically niche means denoting or relating to products, services and trust that appeal to small specialized section of the population. So niche means that what is your target audience for whom you are going to make your videos. For example, I've given here education, beauty, lifestyle and health, but these all these terms are very broad. For example, in education, my channel that I am working on, that I have started, is all about computer science education. So it's like I have shortened the scope. I have defined scope that education, computer science education, then the level is BS and MS level and above. So this is my niche, the students, the people who are from bachelor's to master's or above level, or people who want to learn about IT and they have the basic knowledge, now they want to learn advanced. So my niche is that particular group of people. So in beauty, your niche would be definitely an age group from 16 to 40 maybe, and so on. So according to them you're going to make videos. For example, in education, your niche can be for example, kindergarten kids. So you would make video in a different way. It would be more colorful, more animations, cartoons and attractive. So definitely it totally depends on your niche, that how you're going to make your videos and how appealing they should look. So next thing is preparation. Definitely you people have to prepare before posting. You have to decide your content, you have to take notes, write on a piece of paper or on Microsoft Word or anything you like to take notes. Write on paper what point you're going to cater, what are you going to talk about. Then if you are going to give a presentation or delivering a lecture, be prepared for that as well. Do some practice. And if your video needs some music, some background, select a suitable background music, or if you want to do a voiceover, record an audio, but be prepared for that. And you should basically make your notes and do your preparation before posting your video, so that it gives the best outcome and it is harmonized and synchronized. Then criteria for monetization. Now what everyone is using YouTube for, or working on YouTube mostly, is monetization. Monetization means that you start earning, that with the help of your YouTube channel you earn living. So monetization, the criteria is a bit tough. For to start monetization, you should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I'm just going to discuss these things, because after monetization what happens, definitely I haven't experienced. So when ever in my life experience that thing, I would definitely discuss. So 1,000 subscribers is the first criteria for monetization. You should have 1,000 subscribers in 1 year. For example, from January 2019 to December 2019, you should have 1,000 subscribers. Or from March 2019 to February 2020, you should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now this watch hour thing is a bit tricky in a sense that how views and watch hours differ. That I'm going to discuss with you people. So let me start talking about the watch hours. For example, if you have got say 1,000 views, views means that someone has watched your videos after 30 seconds. For example, if somebody has watched your videos for a minimum of 30 seconds to a maximum of whatever, however long your video is, so after 30 seconds, if somebody has watched your video, maybe not continuously in small portions, so it counts as a view. Now, what are watch hours? For example, if my video is of half an hour and you watch it twice, so it becomes 1 hour of watch time. Okay, watch hours or watch time. So if you have a video of 15 minutes and 4 people have watched complete, so it becomes 1 hour, 15 15 15 15. So these are watch hours. So this criteria is also for 1 year. So it means that for 1 year, for a given 1 year, for example from March 2020 to February 2021, you should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you are able to start monetization, to start earning from your YouTube channel. So these two are very important. Initially YouTubers don't understand what it is, and definitely it's hard to get, but I hope it's not impossible because I'm still starving for it. But these are the basics that you should know before starting up, or if you have recently started your YouTube channel. And then a very important step for preparing for your video recording and editing, I think there are some gadgets here that you should definitely own. You should definitely get cameras, you should have tripod for best recording, for easy recording, hassle-free recording, LED lights, especially when you have makeup tutorials, you have reviews, you want to capture beautiful food, so you need definitely an LED light and microphone, because when you speak, your voice should be clear enough and there should be no noise. And all these I have done reviews. I'm going to be giving the links of the reviews of different products that I've bought and I've been using. And editing videos, that's so important. When you're done with your videos, you edit them beautifully to synchronize and harmonize the whole video, that people have interest and they watch your videos. So what I use OBS Studio for editing, Windows 10 video editor. Again, all these I have done tutorials of how to use them and do basic editing, so you can go and watch them to gain benefit definitely. Then we have consistency and building interest. Consistency means that once, for example, people have started watching your videos and you're not consistent, then definitely they have a lot of alternatives. They will go to some other channel and start watching their videos. So you have to be consistent in preparing and then uploading your content, right? So you must decide particular days, one day a week or twice a week, that Monday and Thursday I'm going to post. So your viewer knows that this is the day that this lady, this YouTuber is posting, and we are going to watch their videos. Then before uploading, you should also watch your videos from your subscriber point of view. If there is a point that you have to forward your video, go to a next point, hurry, it means that your viewers or subscribers will not have interest. So make a video that is interesting and that you yourself can watch it to the end. So you have to build in trust and be consistent. That's a key to it. Then research, ranking, titles and keywords. These are the few last basic points that I'm going to be discussing. There is a website and an app known as Google Trends. Here you can search the keywords that are trending throughout the world. You can search country-wise keyword, the most keywords that are being searched on Google, so that you make videos on those topics that are being searched. You can search YouTube. I am going to show at the end how you can use YouTube to search for keywords. And you should use the keywords that are being widely used, and your title should be suitable and should be to the point, that says it all, and that should attract the audience. Yes, for example, the best hair oil or the best makeup trends for 2020 and so on. Plus your thumbnail, it should be very catchy, attractive, with bold text, colorful images, because this is the first thing that your subscriber or a new viewer would notice in your content. If they are attracted to your thumbnail, they would definitely click your video and watch it. So that's really very important. basically these were the basic tips that I gave you when you are a starter, you are newcomer, you want to start your YouTube channel, and these are the basic tips. Some pro tips that are a little bit advanced, I would be sharing with you people soon in a week's time, in which I'm going to tell you about specific software extensions that you can use for ranking and some other advanced concepts. So stay tuned for that. And I'm now going to go to YouTube, and I would tell you that, for example, I want to search, I for example made a video on one of my channel about orange ice lollies. So simply what I did was I type orange ice, these are the options that are coming, right? Orange ice lollies, orange tang popsicle, orange ice cream recipe, and so on. So these are the keywords. If somebody is searching for orange ice lolly, these are the related keywords that people are mostly searching for. So you should target these in your keywords. All these terms that are coming, they should be a part of your keywords. That's very important, because keywords would lead your video to come up in the search. For example, my video, although I made it you can see, this is my video from one of my channel, so it is coming third when I search for orange ice or orange ice lolly. Although I have only 36 subscribers, this channel has 566 views, I have only 9 views, and you can see my video is still coming up. Why it is coming up? Because of use of suitable keywords. You see, they have 1.51k subscribers. As compared to that, I have only 9 views and 36 subscribers, but my video is coming before their video. It's going up because of the use of suitable keywords that are being searched, and I've targeted those keywords to appear in search for people who actually do not know me, who are not my subscribers. So I am really hopeful that this video would come handy for you people, and you people would really make use of it, and you will succeed in your life. And do subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, do share it with others, like it, comment and subscribe. See you next time.